When a new client comes in with an inquiry or an accident that's happened, the first thing I do as an attorney is start thinking about what evidence needs to be saved or preserved before it no longer exists in the case of a slip and fall. And I have a case that just walked in very recently with it. Within a matter of weeks, the landlord fixed the entire scenario, and photographs and other kinds of evidence. If we didn't have pictures taken, investigators sent out with rulers and levels to closely examine those kinds of things, and that applies to other types of cases as well. We need to preserve as best we can the scene of the accident, the evidence that shows the circumstances of the accident, and oftentimes that kind of evidence disappears very quickly. And so when investigators or experts need to be sent out, that's something we do immediately. The clients themselves, I'll tell them, if you're close by, get photos yourselves if you didn't already. The other advice I like to give as far as the first couple things that I do as the attorney is encourage the client to go to the doctor to complain about all the different body parts that they've injured. Because what happens so often is immediately after some kind of a trauma, it could be a fall, it could be a car accident, they only go and complain about the worst complaint they have. Maybe you have mild neck pain, mild low back pain, but your knee is just killing you right after a fall. A lot of times that knee issue can resolve over the course of 4 or 6 or even 8 weeks, and that neck pain just progressively gets worse, or that lower back pain gets progressively worse. And if you didn't make a complaint close in time, there is basically industry of how insurance companies defend these cases to try to place the blame off of them. In a delay in an initial complaint to a body part, they will claim it's completely unrelated to the accident. So those are the two immediate things that I try to do, as well as making sure any legal deadlines, things like the statute of limitations, are all met and we're good to go as far as investigating and then pushing forward into litigation.